it's Kylie from OkieGirlBling'n'Things.com, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and show you how to do the half double crochet. So we'll just get right on into it. I have a piece here that I've done a few rows of half double crochet, and you can see what it looks like. And we're just going to get started right now. So to get started, all you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. We'll do another one, yarn over, insert the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's how you do. So that's how easy it is. We'll keep going. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So that's how easy and simple it is to do the half double crochet. Just like that. So I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, click subscribe and be sure to check out my blog for lots of free patterns.